CellGate, a leading provider of access control and security solutions, offers external cameras as part of our advanced surveillance equipment lineup. These sophisticated devices, distributed by CellGate, often utilize an SD card for local storage. Whether you're a CellGate customer, dealer, or installer, you may occasionally need to remove this SD card for maintenance, data retrieval, or replacement. Understanding the correct procedure is crucial to avoid damaging the camera or the card itself. Before attempting to remove or reinsert the SD card, it's essential to power down the camera completely. This precaution helps prevent potential data corruption or damage to the card or camera. Once the camera is powered off, locate the SD card slot on the camera body. You'll need to unscrew and remove the waterproof cover that protects this slot. Once exposed, gently press the SD card inward. You should feel it spring outward slightly. At this point, carefully grasp the exposed edge of the SD card and pull it straight out of the slot. If you need to reinsert the SD card, ensure the camera remains powered off, then align the card with the slot and gently push it in until you feel it click into place. After removing or reinserting the card, don't forget to replace the waterproof cover and tighten it securely. This final step is essential to maintain the camera's weather resistance and protect its internal components. Only after the cover is securely in place should you power the camera back on. Please contact our technical support team if you have any questions or need further assistance.